Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change back our color palette options or to turn off changed color palette, so to go back to default. As you can see, we have green accents here, so our color palette is now some shade of green. Let's go back to default. So how to find this option? We need to go to settings first, then wallpaper and style, and in here we have our color palette. We can of course change our color palette from here if we want to, but if we want to turn this function off, we simply uncheck this box, apply, and now we have our default color palette, as you can see. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video.